Pride Month is over, but the joys over what the LGBTQIA+ community has achieved since the Stonewall Uprising, and the resiliency displayed against the continued physical and legislative attacks, remain. Throughout June, Hollywood Life ran The Sound of Pride, a month-long feature where members of the LGBTQ+ community picked songs for Pride 2022 playlists. Because Pride is not confined to 30 days, Shea put the cap on this year's series with a few selections to ensure that Pride is felt throughout the rest of 2022. While speaking with Hollywood Life in an exclusive interview, Shea revealed that she loves the art of drag because it's just a big middle finger to the patriarchy and a defiant gesture to those who would want to see members of the LGBTQ+ community conform to a heteronormative ideal. Like, she continued after a laugh, they're so afraid of her art form that they're trying to create legislation to keep us away from children and fear that we might corrupt or confuse them, she said. God forbid we don't subscribe to their puritanical belief systems. I love the fact that we're disrupting the system. To me, that's my favorite part. The LGBTQ+ community has a long battle ahead of them. In the recent overturning of Roe v. Wade, Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas argued that the court should reconsider and overturn cases guaranteeing the rights to same-sex marriage, same-sex consensual relations, i.e. sex, and contraception to the New York Times. The LGBTQ+ community, who is also fighting to restore body autonomy and a person's right to choose, will not go gently into that good night, and Shea has picked a few songs to capture that rebellious spirit. Beyoncé, Break My Soul. Shea, right now, I have Beyoncé's Breaking My Soul on repeat, and I'm sure everybody has said that. Editor's note, Beyoncé's Breaking My Soul was the only song requested multiple times during the Sound of Pride feature. Nara Rose first requested Literally Anything by Beyoncé, and it was later picked by Darren Hayes and Vincent. Catwalk. If I were to pick a great alternate, I would definitely have to shout out my Mama Ruth, gosh, what a true pop song. I'm living for Catwalk. At the moment, I really do love Catwalk. That is a great one. Shea Coulée featuring Lila Star plus the Vixen, Cocky. If I could list another impeccable queer artist, I would definitely have to say Shea Coulée's song Cocky is just really great at getting your confidence up there. So I will definitely throw myself on the playlist.